Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this time it is not going to be it is not going to be like FF or ARK. This is Utopia. Okay, so I'll show you around a bit, and then I think yeah, I'm gonna adventure, like kind of exploring the area. This is the map. So yeah, basically this is where my base is, right here in the Leaf Mountain place. There's actually like already a what do you call it, a beacon. Yeah, a beacon, I think it's called a beacon over here. So I think today I'm actually going to head like a bit upwards, like here, if you guys can like see the my cursor thing. So like here, and like they are all close, so I can maybe get it down. Yeah. So yeah, first I'll actually show you all my base, not base, like the house. Is this supposed to be my house? It's, yeah, no, it isn't supposed to be my house. Alright, so I like a trick I use, just constantly increasing my speed. Yeah, that's my house right there. Alright, so yeah, please avoid like the night thing. It's night, like it's the only time I could find to record. Actually, I'm kind of busy. Yeah, so this is my base. We have the anvil here, then locker, furnace thing, then a workbench, campfire. Oh yeah, luckily I came back here just to like show you guys around. Whenever I go, like I take the campfire with me, just in case I have to like cook something if I am out of food. Yeah, I have a cow, a pig, scarecrow. Then we also have a cooking pot. Yeah, if you guys did not know, I'll tell you the recipe to how to tame a blue horse. Alright, so you need this blue horse feed, and you at least need, like, just for precaution, get about like what should I say, yeah, get about like 15 of these and you are good to go. So like you can get puffer fish, or it's called the blowfish, then the wheat feed and the corn feed. The corn is actually like the wheat you get like where, like, yeah, I'm growing wheat right here. I just picked up some wheat, and then there's wheat like in many places. It's kind of not rare, but if you wanna find corn, I know one place which is the Bone Mountains. It's like right beside my base, and like, yeah, mostly this is the big land with water, so I prefer making a base here. Plus, close to a desert, and there's also this place right here, the Dragon Tree Island. Alright, so like here somewhere, like here near the bacon, or beacon, actually not bacon, the beacon, you can get the corn, and 5 corn gets you one corn field. Alright, so yeah, and of course 5 heat for a corn field. So I am gonna head out in, let's see, above, like here somewhere. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Yeah, so right here, yeah, up here. So let's go. And yeah, I forgot to tell you, this is my mount, the blue horse. I had a normal horse too, which you get in the start. It just tells you how to, like, the tutorial, how to like tame and then all. And then this is my pet, a green lizard, level 20. So yeah, let's get going. Yeah, right here. And I have iron tools already, like the iron, these are actually steel tools. So I have the axe, the pickaxe, and the sword right here. And this is gonna be like a journey, like this video, and like one more video, I think, because this ain't gonna be too long. Alright, so always keep actually a sleeping bag. Yeah, a sleeping bag, a whole lot of food, and your basic weapons and boat. Okay, just craft a boat, because yeah, you need it a lot. Now I'm drowning. Alright, I'm safe. And yeah, please craft yourself a wand. It's very useful, if I don't lie. If you make a square like this, yeah, then you will see this ice wala. Then just click on the tick, and if you use it in the peaceful mode, it gives you speed buff. And if you use it in the other one, the PvP mode, then it gives you a damage buff. So yeah, just riding my horse there. I'll meet you when I get a bit close. So yeah, and we aren't close or anything. I just wanted to tell you something. So if you guys see these steel nodes, actually, how do you? Yeah, I think this makes your fire one, and your magic one. Just draw it, and it will get you the fire one. So basically, these are silver mines. Alright, so just use your fire one on it, and it will convert into a fire magic mine. And then just mine it using your whatever pickaxe you have, and you will get not a rune stone, it's something, I can't recollect the name. And yeah, same with if you use the ice one. Wait, the ice one, this is a very hard, it's actually a square, you have to draw a square. Yeah, yeah, so this is the fire one, and this is the ice one. So just break both of these, not together of course, break this fire one and then break this ice one. Yeah, make sure it's in 5 minutes, because then it disappears. Alright, yeah, I'm actually just a starter. I've just started playing this game 3-5 days ago, and I'm doing pretty good, I say. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. Okay, and yeah, one more thing before I cross the river. If you make a triangle right like this, yeah, a triangle, and then if you find one of these normal rocks, these ones right here, use this, either use it on a tree, any tree, or you use it on a stone mine. It doesn't matter, just use it on a tree or a one. So if you use it on a tree, you get a treant, and I think that's how you pronounce it. And if you use it on a rock, you get a rock monster. These lasts for, I think, how much time do these guys last for? 5 minutes or 10 minutes something. So yeah, you have a pet for 10 minutes. And if you if this recharges, and if you use it on the tree, then you can basically have 3 pets at the same time. So a treant, then this rock monster, and the original pet that you got in the start. So and guys, I'm kind of feel, if any of you play this game, I am kind of feeling like my character speed is very low. So can you guys tell me if there's something wrong with this, if I have doing something wrong, or is there something you have to do so that your character moves at normal speed? I just feel like it's slow, that's it. Not I know it's slow, I just feel like it. Yeah, I was heading kind of in the wrong direction. This is the right direction. Alright, I'll meet you guys when I'm a little bit closer. Alright guys, I'm a bit further. I'm near Beacon. I didn't teleport though, that's the thing. I have one of these normal horses too, but I think this one is faster than those horses, so I'm using him. And yeah, one more thing, if you guys feel this bear right here, this bear is really strong, then I mean, sure, if you want to tame him, then sure. But I don't know if it's a glitch or a bug. They look strong, but when I was using it, it was straight up weak, man. It was literally weak. It did 1 damage to creatures, whereas my green lizard does about 20, I think. Yeah, so I mean, of course there are better pets, but for now, my green lizard is better. I mean, you guys can say that it was a low level, but seriously, it's kind of, I leveled it up and it didn't work. So yeah, so I suggest don't. If you wanna tame them, then sure, go ahead. Just break down some apple trees, get some honeycomb, and just feed it to him. 10 honeycomb. Yeah, yeah. These treants, however you pronounce these guys' name, a tree, trint, trint, yeah, trint or treant. So yeah, if you use your triangle spell on the tree, you get that guy. So triangle, use this and on a tree, and that's a treant, but it's known as a dread. And yeah, these guys attack whatever you attack. All right. So I'm gonna attack this cattle and just look at them all, just destroying the cattle. But yeah, one more thing. If your horse is hurt, like if someone attacks your horse while you're riding it, well, now it's not happening. Great. Just what I wanted. Yeah, so then your horses disappears because it gets hurt, and then it will come back in some time. Alright. Oh wow, no, this is a large water body. Oh guys, we might have a problem here, you see. This is a really, oh wow. Oh, that's a good tree. And this is a good base. Alright. So we might actually have a really big problem, guys. I mean, of course I have a board, but it takes like too long, man. It's very slow. I'll like go on that island, and maybe if there's a path connecting to it or something which I can see from there, then yeah, I can maybe follow it. If there's a shorter route, then also it's cool. But I don't know, man. Like I don't see any like through the fog at least. I think it's just a straight way from here. So yeah. Oh, octopus. I've never actually hunted octopus, to be honest. Yeah, so there are ruins here. Yeah, so I'm gonna explore this place a bit. Haven't come here actually. I'd come to like, I think that is a like you get some of the beacons like from, oh what am I doing? Yeah, from the start. But I do not know if I had unlocked it or not. From what I remember, it's the one you got from the start. So if do you guys think this is like really slow, like this speed? I mean, like I am not even overweight, man. Yeah, so let's, we have some new guys. Isn't this great? Who are these guys? No info. Yeah, just keep this book with you. If like you met some new creature, just use the attack option on the creatures that you do not know what is, and it will show you who they are. So like these guys are skeletons. And then the flying thing, please, can you connect? No. Can I look at the chest? Alright. Oh yeah, no info. Yeah, I'm currently analyzing it. Just hold on the attack button while using the book. Let's see. It's a skeleton mage. Alright. Yeah, so whenever you guys come to like some new area and you find some guy who you have never seen before, then just place it on your sleeping bag and then go attack that guy. Because if you don't, and if there's a possibility that you die, then it's not good, is it? Exactly. Did I want that chest right there? I think if I beat this guy, I can get the chest. Oh, that's a skeleton level 40. Oh man, man. I don't know, I'm dead. No way. No, what would I have done, man? Yeah, get help, like just don't. I mean, you can do it, but like in the server I play, I barely know anyone who even talks English here. So yeah, just go near the back so that you don't have to go back to the place where they are. Yeah, and then just click on respawn now, confirm. You will lose some stuff, but you can just get that back. They were level 40 monsters. They were too good. Alright, usable back, continue adventure. This is why you should place it on a sleeping bag, because these relics, like your bags, only have like 18 minutes on them and they'll disappear. So just keep it with you and don't lose it. Oh, my pants broke. Ah, could this be a better time? Good as new, equip, and my pant needs to do. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna arrange my inventory a bit and then I'll meet you guys. Oh yeah, one more good thing that happened because of my character dying. Uh, yeah, the one good thing that happened because of my character dying was my hunger. It went right back up to full. Oh, spinach. I've actually just discovered this. I see a heart with a balloon on it, or like heart balloon or something like that. Let's see what this is. Happy. What's written? Oh my god, wolves. Yeah, these wolves are dangerous. I wanna tame one actually, but I don't have enough resources. Not resources, like the what it takes to tame them. What is it? Happy Valentine's Day. Can I do something with this? This Happy Valentine's Day thing. Punch it. Just give me a reward. Oh, whatever. I seriously don't know what to do with this thing. Maybe, is there something on this rock? By any chance? No? Nothing? Seriously? Oh well, I guess this is a return adventure. I'm for sure not going to travel till there. Sorry guys, it's a flop. But at least now I explored like this area, and now if some of you try to come here, then don't come here, because if unless and until you are pro, of course, that's it. I'm not. I barely even have enough material to repair my armor. So yeah, next episode I'll be reinforced. Oh no, why do there have to be so many of these guys? So yeah, I'll be ready to get the stuff done. Oh my god, these guys are better. Oh no, these guys are good. Oh my god, this is bad. And I have a debuff, D speed buff, I think. Need to heal. Full health. Yeah, the circle spells allow you to get to full health. And yeah, just go away. I'm gonna run away from here for now. Not fully, just for now. Because this is too dangerous, dude. Alright. Now my mission is to go right back and get my sleeping bag back. Because if I don't, then I don't know what I can do. What buff debuff do I have? Speed debuff? No, it doesn't look like it. I'm already very slow. I mean, I don't even understand if it's a speed debuff or not. Maybe I can go near the ruins. No, bad idea. Well, I guess it's a boat adventure now. Yay, returning back home. Sorry guys, it's a terrible episode. I know, sorry. It happens. One of the first episode I make on this game, and it's a flop. This is why you should plan things out, man. And what debuff do I have? Is it a glitch or do I have a debuff? Which I don't know what is. Debuff thing? No. I don't see a debuff in my bottom side in the screen. Yeah, I'm heading back. This place is too dangerous for comfort. Yeah, please become day sooner actually. This thing. Oh yeah. Sheep. Actually, I was interested in taming one of those turtles, but now I feel like I don't think you can ride them. It's just a what? Why is my thing purple now? Summer blessing, yeah. Yeah, now I have a What? I don't see a debuff. Then why is it red? I mean, now it's purple because I have a buff and a debuff. But I'm like confused, to be honest. Yeah, and if you guys were like, oh, you could have just used the beacon teleport to come here. It's correct. I could have, but I didn't want to because I wanted to explore. And yeah, sometimes on these beacons, I don't know if like that's actually sometimes you just get it once. I found a chest on the top of the beacon right here. And yeah, by the way, don't just climb normally. Take stops down there because if you don't, you fall. Yeah, you sure do. And yeah, see, like mostly there's like a chest here on this side, but there isn't this time. So yeah. One more thing. The last the last achievement or like the last mission that you get for the tutorial is, I think, make use the wand to learn the flying spell. That flying spell is kind of like it throws you up into the air a little bit, and then you can ride the broom stick thing. Like just use this how can I say this, upward arrow, I guess. Yeah, use this, do this, and then yeah, this is how you do it. Let's ride it. Oh, you can travel a good amount. I mean, I do not want to travel right now because I have to get down here. Well, till that happens, I can just place this right back. It works. If you guys are wondering why I say it works, it's just why shouldn't I, right? Yeah, I don't care if I take damage. The beacon here, I can just... Yeah, you know what? I should probably do that. It's a good idea. I'm gonna fall because then like I can respawn and get rid of this debuff if I'm having one, that is. Yes, don't heal me, don't heal me, don't heal me, game. Please don't. Please don't, friend. Oh, what? Oh, what? Seriously? Huh. Yay. Oh, finally. What? How can I... Yeah. I was wondering how I could still walk. Get help. No, I don't want help. Actually, I was just joking. Respawn now. Confirm. Yeah, I hope I can pick my bag up actually. Oh, dude. What did I lose? No item. Oh, good. No item was dropped. Great. Header planes, continue adventure. This feels much safer next to a beacon. I know, right, game? Right, guys, that's enough for today's video. I've done nothing in today's video, to be honest. Sorry, seriously sorry. I mean, what could I do, guys? Sorry. I was not planning that something like this would happen, so it was kind of it just jumped that there would be oh wow, I still have the debuff thing. So I didn't even know that it would happen. So really sorry, man. I think that's enough for today's video, and we'll see. What am I saying? Okay, I think that's enough for today's video. We'll see you back next time. Bye. Oh, now it's purple. Oh yeah, it's purple. Yeah, guys, what does purple thing mean? Now it's red. Now it's purple. Red, purple, red, purple. Yeah, enough joking around. Bye, guys. Yeah, please suggest me how to play this game. I'm kind of like a noob. Don't know anything. I literally don't know anything. The only thing I know is just how to walk around, use a horse, and fight. That's it. And I can't even fight properly. I'm a noob, yeah. Please help me. I'm gonna use the teleport thing to get back to base actually. There's a beacon next to my base. So bye guys. Bye.